Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very low mileage 2010 Dodge Challenger RT Classic, stock number B9148A. Only 26,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Detonator Yellow in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Challenger is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, and not only low miles, but very clean, of course. It's obviously been very well maintained. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Free of dents or dings. This RT Classic has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen for navigation, radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. This radio also has a 28-gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed manual transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Challenger is a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 375 horsepower. MOPAR cold air intake for additional horsepower as well as fuel economy. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9148A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.